Hollywood Park.
Hollywood Park?
Right there. There's a horse racetrack right there.
Oh, right there.
Or it says casino.
Probably the Costas house in there too. Somewhere.
Hi, Costa. No, she's to the right. Yeah, the right of us. Las Ciennegas is somewhere. Hey, here we go. So either on 24 left or 24 right. Most likely 24 right. There's 10. No, that's 2405 actually. Here we go. North. Probably is.
You did that when you and Grandpa.
Here we go. Just flew over in and out.
Alright. A little wobbly.
Here we go. Not bad.
Not bad at all, considering
Some hard winds. We had some hard Santa Anas.
Ladies and gentlemen, LAX Airlines would like to be the first to welcome you to Los Angeles in the local time, approximately 6:37. Due to sudden stops and turns, we'd like to ask that you remain in your seats with your seatbelt securely fastened and your hand-carried items securely stowed until we've come to a complete final stop at the terminal and our captain will turn on the fasten seatbelt sign. That will be your indication to safely move out of the cabin and collect your carry-on items. Be sure to check the seat back pocket.
Thank you for watching my video.